Driven by our mission to make life better, our employees produce life-transforming therapies for people across the globe. Welcome to our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Pleasant Prairie, Kenosha County, Wisconsin. Located roughly 40 miles south of Milwaukee, the Lilly Kenosha County facility is one of our newest parenteral manufacturing sites. Empowered by state-of-the-art technology, automated robotics, and a culture of excellence fueled by highly skilled professionals, this site focuses on producing injectable medicines and the delivery systems designed to administer them to patients. Our teams are made up of people from various backgrounds who bring their skills and passion to work. Whether you just finished high school or are a seasoned professional, there is a place for you here to help make lives better. Our clean and sterile work environments are designed to maximize safety and enhance efficiency, with collaborative spaces and a variety of on-site amenities to meet professional and personal needs. At Lilly Kenosha County, we offer career growth and the opportunity to find purpose in a career dedicated to improving lives.